In Barbados, Member of Parliament for St. Michael North West Neil Rowe appeared in the Oistins Magistrate's Court on Monday, charged with rape for a crime allegedly committed on September 18th. When police made the announcement of the charges against the MP on Sunday, they reported that the 43-year-old had spent at least 24 hours in police custody assisting them with sexual assault allegations before being charged with rape. That same Sunday, Prime Minister Mia Mottley had announced that Rowe would be replaced on Tuesday by Cynthia Ford as Deputy Speaker of the House of Assembly.
And as brothers and sisters, we are there for each other in good times and in bad times. It has been brought to my attention that a member of the Barbados Labour Party's parliamentary group has had a very serious accusation leveled against them. And consistent with the provisions of the law, he has been charged and is set to appear in court tomorrow morning. I have been both a member of the bar of this country, and I have been a parliamentarian for almost 30 years, long enough to know and to respect the spirit and the intent of the Constitution of Barbados, which provides unequivocally for the separation of powers. It is not our place to intervene in the process of justice, but rather to secure the integrity of the critical institutions that preserve the rights of the individual in this country and to ensure law, order, and indeed good governance in Barbados.
Speaking at the Barbados Labour Party's 83rd annual conference, Mottley appealed to the public to behave responsibly and to let the law run its course.
My brothers and sisters and comrades, this cannot be easy for the persons involved, either of them. But as a responsible political party, we must acknowledge the rights of each of them. I would urge that as a mature people, we respect the privacy of all concerned and behave responsibly, particularly as it relates to the predictable social media onslaught that regrettably has already started against both persons. I have every confidence in the independence and the integrity of the Barbados Police Service. I have every confidence in the independence and the integrity of our judiciary. And I ask, therefore, that we do not rush to judgment, but permit a process, a due process, that has been around for many centuries to work and to run its course.
The Prime Minister's appeal, however, came days after the details of the allegations, including the identities of both alleged perpetrator and victim, began circulating online, a potential breach of Section 35(1) of the island's Sexual Offences Act, which prohibits the publication of a, quote, matter likely to lead members of the public to identify a person as the complainant in relation to that accusation, except as directed by the court. At the conclusion of proceedings before Magistrate Deirdre McKenna, Rowe was granted bail in the sum of 10,000 Barbados dollars or 5,000 US with one surety and was scheduled to reappear on January 30th, 2023. He was not required to plead as his matter is an indictable offense. Rowe was first elected into office when he won the St. Michael North West seat for the BLP in the May 24, 2018 elections. On May 27, 2019, he became the Parliamentary Secretary in the Ministry of People Empowerment and Elder Affairs. In November 2020, Rowe was then elected as Deputy Speaker of the House following the resignation of Glenn Clark.